for.BAOSHISHAN is a manufacturer dedicated to developing different kinds of packaging tools. In addition to the traditional manual strapping tools, we also have electric strapping machines to greatly improve the efficiency. We have the most complete strapping tools of models and colors on the market, which can fully meet the needs of different customers. As an electric strapping machine, it has two ways of charging. First, connect the charging line directly to the battery, then charge the battery. Second, insert the battery into the machine, then charge the machine. Charging port. Please power up before the first use. Switch. Tightening button, used to tighten the straps. Release handle, for inserting and pulling out the straps. Welding button, used for cutting and welding straps. The adjustment knobs of tightening force and welding time. Toothed plate. Do not use machine without straps, it will do great damage to the machine. Indicator light, for indicating the operation of the machine. First, put one end of the strap outward and put the long part of strap on it. Lift the release handle, and put the overlapping strap into the tightening wheel and toothed plate. Press the tightening button, and the machine will automatically tighten the strap. Then quickly press the welding button to the end without hesitation. When the indicator light stops flashing, it means the end of cooling. Finally, without lifting the welding button, directly lift the release handle to make the machine leave the strap. In normal use, it is necessary to clean the debris in the tooth plate in time. This strapping machine's appearance setting is suitable for polyester belts, which are generally green. It can also be used for polypropylene straps, a kind of straps like paper. If your straps are a polypropylene, or if the strap cannot be cut, just change a long spring and the spring is already in the kit. First, remove the cover. Here's the location of the cutter. Remove the cutter and remove the short spring. Plug the long spring back, install the cutter, and cover the lid back. Another common problem is that the straps cannot be tightened and slip easily. This may be because the strap is too thin. The lower part of the tightening wheel has a gear plate, just replace it. Remove the screw at the bottom of the machine, and then remove the gear plate. Pay attention to the direction of the gear plate. First insert a gasket, then put back the gear plate. Then lock the screw. There are 2 gaskets in the toolkit. Please patiently try to find the right thickness one by one. Thanks for watching.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.